Best practices for maintaining a healthy heart. Maintaining a healthy heart is crucial for overall well-being and longevity. Here are some best practices for keeping your heart in top condition. 1. Healthy diet. Balanced nutrition. Consume a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Focus on a diet rich in nutrients and low in unhealthy fats and sugars. Healthy fats. Choose unsaturated fats like those found in olive oil, avocados, and nuts. Limit saturated fats and avoid trans fats found in many processed foods. Low sodium. Reduce salt intake to help manage blood pressure. Opt for fresh or minimally processed foods over salty snacks and prepared meals. Fiber intake. Include high-fiber foods such as beans, whole grains, and vegetables to help lower cholesterol. 2. Regular exercise. Cardiovascular activity. Engage in at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity or 75 minutes of high-intensity aerobic activity per week. Activities like walking, running, cycling, and swimming are excellent for heart health. Strength training. Incorporate strength training exercises at least twice a week to build muscle and improve metabolism. Consistency. Make exercise a regular part of your routine to maintain heart health over the long term. 3. Weight management. Healthy weight. Aim to maintain a healthy weight through a balanced diet and regular exercise. Excess weight, particularly around the abdomen, increases the risk of heart disease. BMI and waist circumference. Keep track of your body mass index, BMI, and waist circumference as indicators of healthy weight. 4. Avoid smoking and limit alcohol. No smoking. Avoid smoking and exposure to secondhand smoke, as smoking is a major risk factor for heart disease. Alcohol in moderation. If you consume alcohol, do so in moderation. This means up to 1 drink per day for women and up to 2 drinks per day for men. 5. Manage stress. Stress reduction. Practice stress-reducing techniques such as mindfulness, meditation, deep breathing exercises, and yoga. Work-life balance. Strive for a healthy work-life balance to reduce stress levels. 6. Regular health checkups. Blood pressure. Monitor your blood pressure regularly and manage it if it's high. Hypertension is a significant risk factor for heart disease. Cholesterol levels. Check your cholesterol levels regularly and manage them through diet, exercise, and medications if necessary. Blood sugar levels. Keep an eye on your blood sugar levels, especially if you have diabetes or are at risk for it. 7. Adequate sleep, quality sleep. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep per night. Poor sleep can negatively impact heart health. 8. Stay hydrated. Water intake. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated. Proper hydration is important for overall cardiovascular health. 9. Limit caffeine. Moderate caffeine. Limit your intake of caffeine, particularly from sugary or high-fat caffeinated beverages. By following these best practices, you can significantly reduce your risk of heart disease and improve your overall cardiovascular health. Regularly consult with healthcare professionals to tailor these practices to your specific needs and conditions. Ask question in comments section if you have any query regarding the topic. Please like the video, subscribe the channel, and press the bell button for new interesting videos.